Let's talk about your business and its leaky bucket.
You ever get that feeling you're losing customers, but you just can't figure out why?
You work so hard, your service is great, and yet, crickets. The phone just isn't ringing.
Well, what if the problem is completely invisible, hiding in plain sight, right online?
This is what we call the leaky bucket of business trust.
And what are these leaks? Tiny things like wrong phone numbers, old addresses, simple mistakes.
But here's the thing. Even a tiny leak can instantly shatter a customer's trust.
I mean, think about it. They drive to the wrong address. They're not calling you back. Nope.
So you see, this is way more than an inconvenience. It absolutely kills your credibility.
Okay, so how do you fix this? You stop playing defense, you start protecting your revenue.
It's all about stopping those customers from walking away in the first place. That's real revenue protection. So, how do we plug these leaks? Simple. Find the errors, fix them everywhere, and protect that rep.
And you really can't afford to ignore this, because every day you wait, you're literally losing money.
Which leaves just one big question for you to think about. How much is leaking from your bucket?